Hello and welcome back to my channel. So, I'm trying out a different format of vlogging. This format is basically called I could not speak a lot during the time I was filming the vlog, and so now I have to do a voiceover to give context. Yeah, pretty much makes sense. So it's been a while since I'm back. I think it's been over a week now. And now I finally decided to sit down and edit and add the voiceover to this. So I hope you guys like this. And I'm going to be more consistent on YouTube. And yeah, comment below if you want a video. If you want me to make a video. So okay, hope you guys enjoy it now. Bye. Hello and welcome to a work week in my life. I chose to vlog one of the most fanciest weeks of my work week ever. I'm attending a conference from my workplace, so we're in the organizing team, and because I'm in social, I'll be doing all of the social coverage and everything. I'll talk more about my work at the conference soon, but this is just me traveling to the airport. So the conference was in Gurgaon, so I headed out from Kolkata. The airport road is one of the prettiest. I feel like I always like taking videos here, even though it's the same video. And yeah, I reached the airport pretty much exactly on time, and then it was time for takeoff. It was monsoon, so I was a little worried that I won't get any clear pretty sky pictures, but you know what, I got window seat luckily, and the skies were really pretty, so that was a win-win, even though I had to sit at the back of the plane. But you know what, it wasn't such a bad experience actually. And look at this is like cotton candy level aesthetic skies, like beautiful. And here's some more skies. My flight was at 10 in the morning, so I landed around 12 in the afternoon, which was like a pretty normal time. I feel like it wasn't too early, it wasn't too late, but it was exactly like the correct time. This is the Lotus Temple in Delhi, I believe, and I couldn't believe it that I could just see it like from my flight. It was pretty cool. I think like the views in Delhi was pretty smoggy, but it wasn't so bad, and I was able to get a couple of clips actually. Then, after we landed, I was just sitting in the plane and we were just, taxiing around for like a lot of time, and, ended up wasting a lot of time here actually. And then landed at T3, booked a cab, finally, started heading to the airport. There was so much traffic in Gurgaon this weekend, this entire week actually. I was so anxious about traveling back as well, but you know what? Spoiler alert, we make it back on time. It's completely okay. And yeah, I headed to Lemon Tree, and here's a room tour coming in. So yeah, this was the Lemon Tree I was staying at. I don't think I have a voiceover in the video, so I'll have to just walk you guys through. But yeah, this was a pretty fancy bathroom. I just thought it was awkward that they had so many glass placements. Not gonna lie, it felt like a couple's room, but every room in this hotel was this way. So, anyways, I took out the window, and the lighting just makes it so much better here. I mean, the room just overall looks really, really well lit now.
Hello, I feel like I'm speaking to the vlog after so long. So I've reached the hotel, quickly changed my shirt. I stole this Levi's shirt from my mom. I stole them in both colors, black and now yellow. I think they're very comfy and I like the fit, how they look. But anyways, I'm speaking from the bathroom. I don't know if you can see me. Yeah. So right now I freshen up and we're gonna go for lunch. I'm gonna go to lunch with one of my colleagues, and then we're supposed to go to the event venue just for rehearsals today. The event's gonna be tomorrow. So I'll take you guys with me. It's a pretty fancy place, so let's go.
So this is where we were having our event. It's the Leela Ambience. It's literally one of the fanciest places I've ever set my foot on. It's literally so pretty. Even the bathroom looked very aesthetic. I'm gonna do a bathroom tour for the hotel like in a few seconds. Yeah, like look at the hand soaps. They look so fancy, and even hand lotion. And the mirrors were very pretty. I could not take one proper picture here while the event was happening because everybody, surprise, surprise, was taking pictures and was here in the middle of the events. So I'm glad I got to do this like empty tour just with my coworker around. It was raining pretty badly in Gurgaon, and I finally made it back to the hotel. Here's the clip for the next day, day one of the event. I headed straight to Leela Ambience, and then it was just me sitting in just the conference room, coordinating all the social posts. Being in social for an event like this, it's pretty hectic. There are a lot of tracks, and I was with my team just trying to coordinate everything. And then after that, I also got to attend a few sessions. Like, here's the one with Shan. So, the fireside chat with Shan, it was pretty interesting. He also has a concert, which I will add clips to the end, and I will not talk on that because you guys need to hear him sing. It was amazing. And this is Aman Gupta, again, a really interesting conversation. Kind of fangirl to his favorite shark. And yeah, now we have clips of Shan singing coming in.
I look so puffed up, and I think my voice is also gone. But oh my god, I'm speaking to this vlog after so long. So yesterday was a very hectic day, you saw from the clips, and I reached home hotel late, and I just tried to sleep as soon as possible. Now it's 8 a.m. I'm running late. I have to check out and I have to go to the hotel event again, day two. There's a lot of work, and we leave from the event directly to the airport. So it's gonna be hectic. Our luggage is packed. Oh my god, I zoomed out. Getting insane suitcase footage. But I will be checking out now, and this is the fit. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yes, it's giving oversized corporate Gen Z, which is what we wanted to go for because I have to catch a flight. I'm not doing that in a dress. So, okay, see you around.
And this is what day two looked like. More sessions, more work, and I just quickly wrapped everything up by 4 p.m. and headed to the airport. It was very hectic. I was at T3 again, and the crowd was insane, but we finally made it and headed back home. I hope you guys like this vlog, and I'll see you soon.